Harrison, and today we're going to be doing the 1970 Dodge Charger. At first we're going to show you a couple cool features about the car, and then we're going to take it for a spin.
Yeah,
So, alright, good, let's go.
Alright, and you can see on the hood here, we have the L31 option hood mounted turn signals. And this is code V1X for a black vinyl top. Charger's had really beautiful tops on it. Of course, we have the signature Chrysler fuel door. And you can see right here we have the Hurst pistol grip shifter, standard equipment. And down here, of course, we have dual exhaust. That's code N41 with N42 chrome tips. All right, are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so trying to beat the rain. We got a little drizzle, just a little, but I think we'll be all right.
Yeah.
All right. So this has been one of the cars on my bucket list here to take out.
Yeah. Yeah, I know you always talk about this car. Yeah, you love it.
I absolutely love it. And fact be known, it was one of the first cars when I was a technician here that I actually worked on. So it's got a little sentimental value to me too. Listen to that.
She sounds so good.
I agree completely.
You know, after this power started to go down a little bit, the design changed, but this design is really great.
I just love the lines of this car. It is an absolute example of a car done right. It's so clean under the hood, under the chassis.
Yeah,
it is immaculate.
It's a pretty recent restoration on this one, a rotisserie restoration too, which is always nice.
And as I said many times before, everything works.
What I really love about it is that this is the original color, EV2 Hemi orange.
Oh, it's a beautiful orange.
Everyone loves this color. It's just so great.
I don't think I would have this car any other way.
like a big car, but in a good way, you know?
And it's nice that it's comfortable to get into and out of.
It really
rather
is.
than, you know, some of the E-bodies and stuff like that, the Challengers and Cougars.
Right, where you're kind of making some sacrifices to have the car for sure.
This gives you all the power, all the performance, and you're comfortable sitting in it. It's not cramped at all.
And it's a lot of, you know, a lot of mass on a car, which, you know, is maybe it sound like a turnoff to some people, but it makes the car feel really planted, very predictable, you know, easier to drive. Maybe not in and out of traffic scenario, but you know, here we are, Venice, Florida. We're stop and go traffic. We're not having any issues.
No. And she idles really nice and smooth.
It's very smooth. I think she was destined to come out.
Oh yeah, for sure. We've been waiting to get this one out.
We
for
have,
a while.
like you said, we've talked about it for a while.
The rain's not too bad though. I think we're.
No, I'm glad we didn't go deeper in.
Yeah.
It was getting pretty dark over there, and we want to keep these cars nice for whoever ends up owning it. So a little rain won't hurt, but never buy a car in the rain, and you never test drive a car in the rain. That's my motto.
I do like that new stereo, the Blaufunk. It's nice.
And it matches well. It doesn't look so, you know, in your face tacky.
Yeah. About 70s in particular, the hideaway headlights are electric on these, not vacuum.
Okay.
You never have to worry about vacuum leaks.
That's a good point.
They're gonna work so much easier, be a lot easier to fix if they ever do go bad. And here we are, back again. It's such a good car.
It really is. And somebody's going to be feeling really lucky to have this car. But as usual, follow us on Facebook. Keep watching our YouTube videos.
Yep.
We love doing what we do, and we love providing, you know, an onboard view of what it's like to be in one of these cars and drive it.
Yeah.
How it's going to, you know, suit your day. I guess you could say.
Yeah. Gives you a little taste of the experience.
Yeah,
of what it's
absolutely.
like to live with.
Absolutely. Be sure to like and subscribe, guys. Again, it helps us out so much.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next time.
Yeah.